Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to set up Paramount Plus on your Firestick. So if you're installing Paramount Plus for the first time, then just follow along. Start by opening search from your Firestick home screen, then search for Paramount Plus. Then select the official app and install it by clicking Get or Download. And after installation, launch the app. Then you'll be asked to sign in with your Paramount Plus account. Then depending on your account, you can either enter your email and password directly or activate your Firestick by visiting the activation website shown on your TV using your phone or computer. After activation is complete, your Firestick will automatically refresh and log you into the app. You can now browse your subscription and begin streaming. So that was how to set up Paramount Plus on your Firestick. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.